Hey, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm just gonna get to the point and share a very valuable tip for GoPro users. You know when you get a fresh adhesive mount, you peel it and you stick it wherever, and it's pretty stuck on there. Probably already knew this. But what you might not know is if you ever take one of these things off and it loses its stickiness or it's not sticky anymore, don't throw it away. You can actually reuse these by just heating it up. So I'm gonna use a hairdryer for like a minute, but you could also use a heat gun or a lighter or probably the sun. And boom, once it's hot and sweaty, you know it's ready. Wow, did not mean to rhyme or sound creepy on that one. So check it out. It works, and it's just like it was on the first peel. There we go, that's it for me on another 30-second Thursday, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Later. And hey, if you made it this far in the video, might as well subscribe to the channel. If you have a cool GoPro tip you think I should probably make a video about, write it down in the comments or just share your tip with the world. Right.